Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: a 5G-capable phone, an unlocked SIM, and a chosen unlimited plan. First, power off, insert the SIM, then power on and install any carrier profile. Once done, update your phone's firmware and carrier settings. Make sure 5G is enabled in network mode. You're starting live tests now, so open a browser and stream a 1-minute video to verify baseline speed and that the carrier recognizes unlimited data. Now optimize. You must set the APN exactly as the carrier specifies so tethering and unlimited features function. If issues persist, manually re-enter values. Then select 5G Auto or 5G Preferred. This preserves battery yet uses 5G when needed. Next, configure hotspot limits, enable a VPN if you want privacy, and set co-S rules to prioritize video or work apps. Once done, run a speed test and check background apps that may consume data and trigger throttling. Finish by locking in stable performance. You should monitor usage and carrier notifications for deprioritization or fair use rules. Keep periodic speed logs. If speeds drop, restart your phone, toggle 5G off and on, and reset network settings before calling support. Make sure to gather a MA, account number, screenshots of speed tests, and timestamps. One key troubleshooting tip: if tethering fails, check APN values and your plan's hotspot allowance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.